Hi friends, this is Bala Shamla from Akshavi Trends, exclusive fashion jewelry, Salem. சேலத்தில் இருக்கான்னு சொல்லிட்டு நினைக்காதீங்க. We do online shopping for you, make it easy from Facebook, Instagram and YouTube channel. Akshavi Trends அப்படின்றது 2.5 years முன்னாடி we are branded. For past 6 years we are into this fashion jewelry, exclusive collection of fashion jewelry. Almost I'm into this fashion like 12 years. Vishal's boutique and designer அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சேலத்தில் I'm into designing field, tailoring, embroidery, sarees, salwa materials. So I had a passion to start Akshavi Trends. We started a beautiful fashion jewelry shop also in Salem. So you can follow my FB, daily 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock I'm doing online. You can shop online, instantly booking my products, okay? And we do post in Facebook all our latest and updated collections. We have beautiful fashion jewelry like matte gold, traditional gold jewelry, matte finish, then temple collection, oxidized bangles, bracelets, bridal sets, AD stones, ruby, emeralds, Italian jewelry, then beads collection, complete range of beautiful beads collections we have. And we do customization of beads also. Starting range from 550 onwards, we customize all kind of beads collections to you. And we do shipping India and international, all over the world we are doing shipping, and our shipping prices probably from 100 rupees onwards through nearby states, and other states like Maharashtra, Orissa, all we charge 150. International shipping according to the kgs we charge it out. So now in today's show I'm going to show you beautiful oxidized jewelry which is in trend now with nose pins and studs with the set, okay? First one I'm going to show you a beautiful set. It's an oxidized German silver. It is a multicolor. It is a cone shape, very pretty stud. It has got a 2 color studs, green and pink color, and it has got a beautiful nose pin. This is the nose pin. I'm not going to insert, just keep above my nose and show you. This is for 700. This set is for 700. You can see it. It is a cone shape, 2 color stones, and you can wear this for saris, Indo-Western outfit, kurtis, even for kids pattu pavadai. Another one, it is a beautiful pink color. It is a very pretty and nice shade. See, it's pink. You can wear so close to your neck or little down also, according to the adjustments how it is required for you. And even the same, it has got a cone shape, beautiful stud and nose pin. It's an excellent nose pin. And I've got another pretty color, black color. Usually there are a lot of black lovers. See, this is a black color, black, and same it has got a excellent stud. Cone shape with small hangings. You can see it with nose pin. This is a nose pin. It's a black color stone. I'll just show you the close up. See, another one is very pretty, nice blue color. See, it's a very pretty blue color. See, now when we are wearing for this salwar also, it looks too pretty, right? See, this is the blue color, and it has got a nose pin. See, these are the oxidized, high quality. We usually deal with high quality only. 99% in fashion jewelry we deal brass metal only. Few are alloy metals in bridal sets, because I want to give all the category peoples so they can afford to buy from Akshavi Trends. And the payment mode is always we do GPay, PhonePe, online bank transfer, NEFT, everything. This is a nice blue color. It is a very pretty piece. While you keep it in the neck, see how pretty it is. It is an adjustment again. It is a leaf design. It is so classy, and it has got a beautiful stud with pearl hangings. Pearl hangings. See the shade, how pretty it is. You can match with all kind of dresses. This is for 690. 690 rupees. See the nose pin. So because now the nose pin is in trend, so everyone is liking to wear a nose pin. See how pretty it is. You can even adjust up to this. And next is a beautiful blue color. I'll just show you, wear and show you. This is very trendy and excellent. See, it is awesome. It has got a blue color and black color bead, ball bead with elephant in the center. You can call it as Gauri or Durga, and it has got an excellent oxidized jhumka. This is for 690. This is for 690. It has got a beautiful Gauri elephant with the rod with the danglings. See, it will give you a beautiful sound. See, these are when you wear a cotton sari or a nice salwam long frock suits, you can wear this kind of jewelry. It is a very pretty and fine. See, this has got a very nice jhumka, two-tone, light is oxidized with black polish. So these collections are now in trend and people love to wear such kind jewelries nowadays. See the finishing, how beautiful it is, and only for 690. 690 rupees. See the face, they have made very, very beautiful. See the face, it's very class and it's like very smiling face. It's very pretty. So I always tell people how to maintain the fashion jewelry. You can maintain very easy. When you have a sweating body, you can just dust a white powder and you can wear your jewelry. And if you are a people lover of perfumes, you just have a perfume before you're wearing your fashion jewelry. Then it will stay for a long time, the quality. And another system is you can maintain with such plastic boxes, not a velvet boxes. If you keep in plastic boxes with a white cotton cloth, it will stay for a very, very, very long time. The jewelry won't get much faded in short time. Okay, and the next one is a very nice trendy piece. This is with an elephant. This is completely an elephant piece. See, it is a very pretty. It is an elephant with the umbrella, and it has got a beautiful state. 1150. See, this is the state with umbrella. See the engravings in the umbrella. It is very beautiful. An elephant, that tail and the sharpness, everything is made very, very beautiful. It has got a 2 danglings. This is for 1150. This is the pure oxidized German silver and it is on the 3D finish, 3D look. The umbrella is engraved and the elephant is inside the umbrella. It is very, very pretty, and this also will suit for all kind of dresses. Even when you wear a collar dress, inside you can leave it this thread inside, and outside this you can wear it. That is now in trend with white shirt and brocade skirts. Such kind pretty dresses, you can wear this beautiful umbrella design. It has got a very beautiful state. See, this is for 1150. So, and other next product is finger rings. These are the very beautiful finger rings. It is with peacock. See, it is very trendy. When you go for a parties, you can wear this kind of finger rings. It has got a multi-stones. It has got a very beautiful multi-stones. The another one is lion. See, now there are so many lovers for animals. Now they love pet animals and wild animals. Now this is in trend. See, another one with a pretty pink and green stone. You can see this. See how pretty it is. This is a very, very, very pretty one. See, when you wear with a sari, when you keep your hands like this, when you carry yourself, it will be very pretty. It is an adjustment. See, according to your finger size, there is an adjustment. You can use it. See, just I'll keep it in a middle finger. Just when you keep your hands, when you're draping a sari or beautiful white color dress or black color dress, this jewelry will go very awesome. This finger ring, it is an awesome. So these kind of oxidized jewelry, in next episode I'll show you more collections. You can follow my YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram. Subscribe my YouTube channel also, give a notification so you will get all notifications. My contact number 98427 56822, 98437 56822 for all the inquiries. Always we ship on the same day or the next day after our payment received, and always we say open video is must with the package tape. Okay, we'll see you in another beautiful session. This is signing off Bala Shamla from Akshavi Trends.